Good morning, children. Have a nice day. Welcome to social class. Standard 7th Geography Unit 1 Exploring Continents North America and South America. Today discuss the topic transport. North America has developed a well-designed network of roadways, freeways, railways, waterways, and airways. Roadways. North America, especially USA and Canada, have the best laid roadways in the world. They are made up of asphalt, and concrete roads can be used in all weather conditions. The superways or freeways make traveling easy and fast. The Pan American Highway that runs from Alaska in the far northwest to Panama in south. Next, railways. North America is extensively served by an efficient network of railway. Transcontinental railways and trans-Canadian railways are link the east and west coast of Canada and United States. Chicago has the biggest railway junction in the world. The New York Railway Junction is one of the busiest railway stations in the world. Next, waterways. The Great Lakes region along St. Lawrence and Mississippi rivers are the most important inland waterway in North America. Quebec City, Montreal, Boston, New York, Philadelphia, Charleston, and New Orleans are some of the important inland ports. New York is the most important port along the east coast. Vancouver and San Francisco are important ports on the west coast of North America. Do you know Panama Canal? In 1914, a canal was cut across the Isthmus of Panama for 80 kilometers along which connects the Atlantic with Pacific Ocean. It greatly reduced the distance between Europe and the west coast of North and South America. Next, airways. Airways provide invaluable means of transport. All the cities and industrial centers in North America are linked by airways. New York, Chicago, Los Angeles, Atlanta, Toronto, Montreal, and Mexico City are some of the international airports in North America. Trade. North America exports a host of agriculture and industrial products. The main exports are industrial, machinery, automobile, paper, fish, wheat, bananas, meat aircraft, telecom equipments, chemical, plastic, fertilizer, wood bulb, timber, crude oil, natural gas, aluminum, nickel, and lead. The countries of North America imports include coffee, cocoa, sugar, textiles, iron ore, and electronic goods. The countries of Europe, Japan, China, and India are the major trading partners. Let us discuss the point. First, the exploring continents, North America and South America. North America, location and area, boundaries, political division, physiography, the Rocky Mountains, Great Plains, Appalachian Islands and coastal plains, drainage system, climate, natural vegetation in North America, natural regions of North America, agriculture of North America, minerals, important minerals in North America, major industries in North America, transport. Thank you.